Very good day indeed. The scaffolding is now down, but now we've got the problem of restoring the inside where damage was caused by water coming in after the removal of the lead. But they start work next week, so hopefully we'll get our ceiling restored back to normality.
Okay, and the community really came together to restore the church after
Yes,
damage.
in the beginning the community was absolutely devastated, having spent nearly a year restoring the church with ourselves, with scaffolding up and people up to 80 odd years old, repainting and replastering the church. Then 5 weeks later to have the lead stolen, the local community was devastated. But they all rallied round and they did all sorts of exciting things to raise money, and we've now paid off the people who did the work, and we've now really back to celebrating the church back as it was.